Hi, this is Candy Shaw, and even though I typically have a Tips and Tricks Tuesday, I've also got a little salon hack going on here. And I think it's important that I share this information with you because it has helped my salon so much through the years. All right, so we have a big salon, 50 chairs to be exact. And so guests come in, sometimes they feel a little lost, they don't know exactly who's on first, so to speak. And along with our dress code, we have a dress code that complies with all of our guests. So let me explain. The first thing is anybody who is a returning guest is going to get the black smock. The good smock that everybody knows, this person is a regular at Jamison Shaw Hairdressers. We actually wash, dry, fold, and sanitize these smocks and put them in these little bags for easy changing and also to get them to them at the front desk. Now, if they are a new guest at Jamison Shaw Hairdresser, they actually get our new improved logo, which we're working on changing everywhere, but they get the blue smock. This blue smock indicates that they are a new guest. So if someone's wearing that in our salon, anyone and everyone that's walking around that guest can say, "Hello, how are you?" Meet, greet, and be sweet. And this allows us to level up that experience or that customer experience for the first time, which is sometimes when you actually lose a guest, is that first experience where they feel lost and no one around is maybe talking to them. So we make sure to ensure that by giving them the blue smock. Now you see these other colors that I have here, and these other colors indicate someone who is a VIP guest at Jamison Shaw Hairdressers. This is voted on by our staff members for a woman or man who really has become an integral part of our salon culture through their cheerleading, maybe through their referring, and also just quite frankly, just the way that they support our business. If you get voted on to have one of these gowns or these smocks, you get to choose your color. And in addition to that, you get your name logoed on that gown so that you are really that VIP guest. It's not just the earning or spending power of a guest. It could just be someone who we really feel is always cheerleading our salon culture. So with different colors, you bring different messages across the board and you protect those in your team from letting someone fall through the cracks as they're there. You cheerlead those who you want to make special. Obviously, every guest is a special guest at Jamison Shaw Hairdressers, but anytime we want to level up, we just make sure those smock colors are part of that process. I hope you enjoyed this tip and trick. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.